In this video, I'm going to show you how you can uninstall WPS Office in Windows 11. So what you need to do is go to the Start menu, then click on Settings. Once you're in Settings, go ahead and click on Apps. Once you're in Apps, you can go to Installed Apps, and here we can go ahead and search for WPS Office. Go to the search bar, type in WPS. From here you should see WPS Office and any other WPS related programs. Click on the three dots next to them, click uninstall and uninstall again. This will bring open the uninstallation wizard. What you can do is click uninstall directly, then click uninstall now, and then just confirm. I'm going to click no longer using it, clear data to ensure security, then click OK. Then you'll see the progress bar of it uninstalling. Once that has finished, it should now be uninstalled. One thing I would recommend you do is restart your computer. You can also go ahead and search for WPS and see if there are any remaining files. If there are, you can click on the folder. And then what I would do is just simply go ahead and delete this folder. Then it should be completely uninstalled and the data will be cleared. So that's how to do it.